Now let's learn the golden rule for Roman numerals. Now this is where it gets interesting. How do we read Roman numerals? There are just two rules. Understand these two and you can read any Roman numeral. Golden rule 1. Addition. Smaller or equal value after larger value, add. VI. V is 5, I is 1. I comes after V, so 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. VI is 6. Now XI. X is 10, I is 1. I comes after X, so 10 plus 1 is 11. So XI is 11. Next is LX. L is 50, X is 10. X comes after L, so 50 plus 10 is 60. LX is 60. Now quick, what is XV? Simple, right? Now the second rule, golden rule 2. Subtraction. Smaller value before larger value, subtract. For example, IX. I is 1, X is 10. I comes before X. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So IX is 9. XL. X is 10, L is 50. X comes before L. So 50 minus 10, which is equal to 40. So XL is 40. CD. C is 100, D is 500. C comes before D. So 500 minus 100 is 400. That means CD is 400. CM. C is 100, M is 1000. C comes before M. So 1000 minus 100 is 900. CM is 900. Remember, after the bigger number, add. Before the bigger number, subtract. Tell me, what is IX on your clock? I comes before X. So, subtract. So, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So, IX is 9. Now, here are 3 most important rules you must always remember. Rule 1. Never repeat any symbol more than 3 times. 4 times I is wrong. To write 4, write IV instead. 4 times X is incorrect. For writing 40, write XL. So, 3 times maximum. Then use subtraction. Rule 2. V, L, D are never repeated. Ever. VV is incorrect. Write X instead. LL is incorrect. Write C instead. DD is incorrect. Write M instead. Rule 3. Only these subtractions are allowed. I only before V and X. X only before L and C. C only before D and M. IC is incorrect. I cannot jump all the way to C. VX is incorrect. V can never be subtracted. LC is wrong. L can never be subtracted. These are favorite exam questions. So remember them.